Hello, learned citizens, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about chemical equations and the systematic naming of compounds through IUPAC. By the end of this video, you will have the tools to read and write chemical equation and name compounds like a pro. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Understanding this concept is important for anyone studying chemistry, whether you are a beginner or just looking to brush up on your knowledge. First, let's talk about chemical equation. A chemical equation is a symbolic representation of a chemical reaction, showing the reactant, product, and their relative amount. Here are some key points to remember. The first key point is reactants. Reactants are the starting substances that undergo a chemical change, while products are the substances formed as a result of the reaction. For example, the combustion of methane can be represented as the equation showing on your screen.